Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to export looping MP4 for a social ad. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to export a looping MP4 for social ads, you first need to create the loop within a video editor and then export it using specific settings tailored for social media platforms. So while social media platforms handle the playback, the video file itself must contain the repeated feature or like footage. So you need to simply go and find a video. Once you have found the video, you need to start creating a loop. You need to simply create a seamless loop on any of the video editor like CapCut, InShot and stuff. You can simply duplicate the edits and duplicate the clips and add transitions. Now once you have done the loop video, you can export the loop video as an MP4. After this, you can simply have your platform specific considerations and you will be able to simply export looping MP4 for social ads. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.